Normal pump or quick pump? Let's find out.
Get ready.
So in today's video, I'll show you the difference of normal pump and the quick pump. So normal pump is this. That's the normal pump. And the quick pump is this. See? So the difference of quick pump and normal pump is this. Normal pump fly much higher, while the quick pump flies much lower. And normal pump, the pump meter replenishes gradually, while the quick pump, the pump meter replenishes much faster. So that's the difference between the two. So in the screen, I'll show you the side-by-side comparison of the normal pump and the quick pump. In my past video of pump, I showed you how to key map the normal pump class. So I'll teach you that again. So here it is. Open FlyDG app, edit. You can use any button you want. For me, I'll use 6. Open it, choose macro, edit, add one button first, then open this, make this 0 and make this 0.045. Confirm. Put this on the jump icon,
airdrop incoming,
and add another button and click that, and let's make this 0 and this one is 1.5. Confirm. Put this on the jump icon. So let's test it. Let's save this first and save it again, and let's test it.
airdrop has been delivered.
Let's click number 6. Let's press number 6. See? Let's wait for the pump meter again.
Will arrive in 1 minute.
So make sure the pump meter is full. Let's press number 6. So that's it. So now I'll show you how to key map the quick pump. So the quick pump is this. See? The pump is much quicker. So to key map that, open FlyDG app, edit. Let's make any button. Pick any button you like. Let's say V. Open this, macro, edit, add 4 buttons. Drag this on the right side of the jump icon. Drag all 4 of these. Then save. Add another button, letter V again. Okay. Choose macro, edit, add 4 buttons again. Put this on the left side of the jump icon. So save again, and let's press V. See? You can now do quick pump using the FlyDG converter. So it's really up to you how to use it. If you want to use the normal pump, or you want to use the quick pump. So for me, I'll choose the quick pump because it replenishes the pump meter much faster. So you can use that to chase enemies, or you can pump away from the enemy because the pump meter replenishes much faster. So that's the good thing about the quick pump. So you can even do combos like this. You slide, quick pump. See? Or you slide, quick pump, and you slide again. So you can do that. Just do slide, slide again. See? So if you want, you can do quick pump even though the pump meter is only half, like this one. Half.
The safe zone is collapsing.
See? You can do that. You don't need to wait the pump meter to be replenished. Wait. Up, half meter, you can do that. You don't need to wait for the pump meter to be full. Half pump meter is okay. Let's do that again. See?
Airdrop incoming.
So you can do that. So the jump icon should fit your 2 fingers. Make sure the jump icon fits your 2 fingers. See? Then press 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope that you learned something from this video using pump class here in COD Mobile. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials of FlyDG and other gaming tutorials and other DIY tutorials. So that's all for this video, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.